Beyond Walls is a public art project that has been crowdfunded by both the community and various organizations on both the North Shore and throughout the state. Executive Director Al Wilson has worked with multiple artists, both locally and internationally, to bring them to Lynn during this mural festival to create over a dozen works of art throughout downtown Lynn.
Why do we want to become a part of
Who
this?
wouldn't want, like, I mean, once you actually look at the scope of what's going on and all the different caliber of artists that are out here, anyone would want to be out here.
In a very high visible spot. Yep. I think, who wouldn't, you know?
All right, so looking at the wall itself, plus wanting to actually be able to show some motion in the design and stuff like that, I think it's...
You gotta have some sort of, flow in the art, otherwise it's real stiff. And seeing the wall, we could have done a million different things, whether it's geometric shapes, something in the center and then it fades off or whatever. It automatically said, like movement to us, Out of all the ideas that we had, we decided to go with the snake. Symbolizes a bunch of things for us, and you guys will probably figure it out someday, but we have to leave that up to you. You can't always...
Open for interpretation.
Yeah, you can't always have a title to things.
I wanted to get involved in this project because there isn't much street art in Boston or in Massachusetts at all. If you travel different countries, different cities, you see street art everywhere, right? And for some reason, Massachusetts hasn't embraced it like they need to be. A lot of people in the community that probably live in Lynn probably haven't seen street art. You know what I mean? There's like all these blank walls, especially this city, it used to be an industrial city. I feel like blank walls don't tell much of a story. I picked this design because I wanted to represent a black woman in a powerful way. And this is the Black Madonna. If you look at her right here, she's looking right at you in a powerful stare. It's just like when you look up, when people research, Google black male, black woman, they see a black man in handcuffs. What I really want to do is change the narrative. Make people see this piece and go, wow, that's an amazing piece. But what they are saying is, wow, that's an amazing black woman.
A mí me interesó ser parte del proyecto porque era un lugar que no había visitado en Massachusetts y porque me dijeron también que había una comunidad muy grande de latinos, incluyendo puertorriqueños, y entonces pues vinimos para acá a chequear la comunidad y a trabajar con ellos juntos. Pues mi pieza un poco habla de herencia cultural, ¿no? de latino, y en este específico pues un poco más a lo que yo me identifico, ¿no? Y lo que son mis raíces, que un poco, ¿no? Viene de los nativos, los africanos, ¿no? Los españoles, y un poco es como una mezcla, ¿no? de diseño y símbolos, simbología, y entonces una construcción de este personaje, ¿no? Que nos identifica a todos, la gente se identifica y puede crear una historia con él.
I chose this design here. I came up with this design to really represent the work that I'm doing at RAR, how I feel about it, which is working with kids and challenging them to be their best selves and to feel good about themselves and to make their mark on the city. To me, the story behind the mural is youth doing things creatively, being imaginative, and putting themselves outside on something else, and really being who they truly, really are. She's also represents like a young girl in Lynn who has a backpack full of scrolls that represents her dreams and hopes and ideas and aspirations, and so she's taking those and making a mark with a magical paintbrush.
There will be artists working at over a dozen sites through July 23rd, with a block party planned on July 22nd on Mount Vernon Street from 1 to 9 p.m. To view the artists in action, visit beyond-walls.org and see a map of all artist locations.